Hello there, welcome back to another video. So right here I have a vacuum pump for a 2010 Mercedes Benz C300. So it have a oil leak coming from behind this cover, so I'm going to show you how to seal it so it stop leak. So I have some silicone that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this to remove the seal which I already remove. So as you can see, the seal already shaped to the frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch it over. I'm going to switch the seal over after I clean it up and put some silicone there. So let me show you how I do it, guys. But first let me use some carb cleaner and clean it up first. So let me wash it up. Okay guys, so now that I clean it up, I'm gonna fix back the seal. Let's see. So go like this, guys, just like that. I'll put back this piece in there, the oil scooper. So this is what scoop the oil to pump it, going like this. So that's how it works, guys. It's turning. There you go. So let me get some silicone. Okay guys, so hold on. So I use a T25 Tax star paint to remove these screws. T25. That's it right there. So let me apply some silicone to the seal. So this is how I fix them. So I decided I'm going to do a video today on this one. It's 100% work. I never do any and it come back with a leak. It's always seal and work excellent. And here we go. Alright, so now I'm going to put her at the cover. So it should be something like this. Putting back the screws. Okay guys, and there you go right there. So it's sealed. I only can show you guys where it go, but it's so difficult to do a video showing you how to remove it because of the tight space. But you have to make sure when installing this piece, make sure this piece turns to the split in the cam on the back of the motor. You have to make sure this piece catch back properly inside here. So I'm going to show you guys where it come from. Alright, so it go right behind here in this hole, guys. Right in that hole behind here. Right here, guys. So you have to remove these 3 screws. Let me show you the socket that I use. So the one all the way to the back, so I use this E10 socket to remove the screws. So use 3 of them. So I have to use these swivel joints to remove it from the back. It's really tight around here, so I couldn't get to use my hand, so I have to put this extension. So I get this kit from AutoZone, door last kit. So you can go to AutoZone and check out this toolkit, guys. Give you everything that you can use work around here. This extension, you can purchase this at AutoZone, also the swivel joint right here. So this will help you guys. Definitely help this work. Get out that stubborn screw around the back. I also have a seal that go on this piece right here. Make sure, remember to put it on so it don't leak. And that's it right here, guys. That's all you need to do to get it out. Remove those 3 screws. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.